Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and powers. Now coming to the law 6th. X into y the whole raised to the power m is equal to x to the power m into y to the power m, where x and y are two rational numbers and m is any integer. So, the bases are different, but the power is same. That means what? It is common for, the power is common for both the bases. So, x into y the whole raised to m means x to the power m into y to the power m. The same way for division, that is the seventh law. X by y the whole raised to m is equal to x to the power m divided by y to the power of m, where x and y are two rational numbers, but here y should not be equal to 0 and m is any integer. In division, isn't it? The denominator, never, it is a 0. Now coming to the example 16, find the value of, say, 2 by 3 the whole raised to 4 into 3 by 5 the whole raised to 4. The bases are different but the powers are same. So what we have to do? It is 2 by 3. It is a 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 the whole raised to 4. Now, is there any cancellation? Yes, 3 ones are 3 ones are. So, this becomes 2 ones are 2 by 5 the whole raised to 4. Now, multiply and see. So, we have to find the value, evaluate, okay. So, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, 25 25s are 625. Now coming to the second subdivision, 4 by 5 is the whole raised to 2 divided by 6 by 5 the whole raised to 2. So bases are different, powers are same. So what we have to do? So 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 5 the whole raised to 2. Now 4 by 5 division means multiply the reciprocal. So this one will become 5 by 6 the whole raised to 2. 5 ones are 5 ones are, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2 ones are 2, 1 3s are 3 the whole raised to 2. So it became how much? 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So you got 4 by 9. Understood? So that was the example 16. Now coming to the worksheet 6. Simplify. 4 to the power 4 into 5 to the power minus 4. See, this is the negative power. So, convert into the positive power. So, 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 to the power 4. That means 4 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 the whole raised to 4. Isn't it? That means how much? The powers are same, bases are different. That means 4 into 1 by 5 the whole raised to 4. That means 4 by 5 the whole raised to 4. What is the value? Already you know, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Now if you multiply 16 16s are, it is 256. Then 5 5s are 25, 25 25s are, isn't it? 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 25s are 625. Now coming to the second, 2 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 3 the whole raised to 2. That means what? 2 into minus 1 by 3 the whole raised to 2. Powers are same, bases are different. So how much it became? Minus 2 by 3 the whole raised to 2. It is a negative number, but the power is a even. So the answer becomes positive. Remember, negative with the even power, it becomes positive. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 4 by 9. Now coming to the third, the powers are same but the bases are different. So multiply minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 5 the whole raised to 3. It becomes 3 1s are 3 1s are. But now minus minus, isn't it? Minus minus becomes plus. 2 1s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Now raised to 3. It becomes how much? It is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now coming to the fourth subdivision, the powers are minus 2 and the bases are different. 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 the whole raised to minus 2. Cancellation is there? Yes, 1s are 1s are. So here it became a 1 by 5 the whole raised to minus 2. अभी पावर नेगेटिव है तो रेसिप्रोकल लिखने का है ना. सो 1 by 5 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या है? 5. एंड ये बनेगा पॉजिटिव. सो 5 square is how much? 25. Understood this one? So 1 by 5 with negative minus 2. So you have to write the reciprocal of 1 by 5, that is 5, and this negative power becomes positive. Now here in the fifth sum, power is same, the denominators are different. So minus 5 by 6 divided by minus 7 by 6 the whole raised to 4. Minus 5 by 6, division means multiply the reciprocal. So 6 by minus 7 the whole raised to 4. 6 and 6 get cancelled. Now it became minus minus plus. So 5 by 7 the whole raised to 4. Now 5 to the power 4. Already we have found out 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 625. Now 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Multiply 49 and 49. You will get 2401. 49 into 49, 2401. Multiply and see. Now in the sixth sum, minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 2 the whole raised to minus 5. Means this is 1, 1, 1, 1. Means you got 1 to the power minus 5. Now it is a negative power. So what we will do? 1 by 1 to the power 5. Yes or no? make it positive. Now 1 by 1 to the power 5. How much it will be? 1 by 1, that is 1. Final answer is 1. Understood? 1 to the power negative 5. So reciprocal of this and positive. So ultimately it will be 1. That was question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. Find the value of x so that 3 square into minus 4 the whole square is equal to minus 12 to the power 2x. Now the powers are same, bases are different. So what we have to do? Multiply the bases and write the common power. Now it became this much. Okay. Now 3 into minus 4. Minus plus minus 12 the whole raised to 2 minus 12 the whole raised to 3x. Now are the bases same? Yes. So what will you write? When the bases are same, we equate the powers, नहीं तो the powers are equal. Now 2 is equal to 3x. Sorry, this is 2x. Sorry, okay. So 2 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 2 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Answer, x is equal to 1. Understood? Now coming to the question number 2. Now here the powers are not same, bases are also not same. But when you see the numbers, so 4 and 9 means 2 square and 3 square, isn't it? So you can think that also. Otherwise, this one also you can do minus 3 by 2. The 6 you can convert into what? The 3 into 2. Power 6 can be written as 2 into 3, isn't it? So, minus 3 by 2, the raised to 2, the whole raised to 3. 2 3s are 6 into 4 by 9, the whole raised to 3 is equal to 1 by 2, the whole raised to 3x. Now, this one, how much it will become? The power is 2. That is even and it is negative. So, it becomes positive. Negative base with the even power. It will be what? Positive. Remember, minus minus दो बार multiply करोगे तो positive बनता है. अभी इधर कितना आया? It is 3 2s are 3 3s are 9 by 2 2s are 4. So we have calculated this part and power is 3. Now here it is 4 by 9 the raised to 3 and this is 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3x. Now the powers are same, bases are different. 9 by 4, 4 by 9. Okay. So multiply the bases. The whole raised to 3 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3x. Okay, now it will be how much? 9 ones are 9 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are. How much you got? 1. Total it is 1. Cube is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3x. Now 1 cube means how much? It is 1 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3x. Now 1 means what? Any base with the power 0 is 1. Any base with the power 0 is 1. So here the base is how much? Half. So you make this base also half. So half raised to the power 0 is equal to half raised to the power 3x. Whenever you get 1, what we have to do? बेस को हाफ करो और पावर 0 डालो. मतलब हाफ नहीं, इधर जो दिया है वही. ओके, सो वॉट एवर द बेस हियर, द सेम बेस पुट इट हियर एंड पुट द पावर 0. नाउ द बेसेस आर सेम. नाउ इक्वेट द पावर्स. So what will we write? When the bases are same, powers are equal. So how much you got? Left side it is 0, right side it is 3x. So x is equal to 0 by 3. That means x is equal to 0. Answer, x is equal to 0. Understood everyone? So bases are not same, powers are not same, but looking at the numbers, we can make the bases same. Then proceed. Clear? Now coming to the third sum, it is a 4 by 5 the whole raised to minus 2 divided by minus 4 by 5 the whole raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 raised to 3x. Now here it is the negative, here also negative. So first convert into positive. Okay, so this becomes how much? 5 by 4 the whole raised to 2 divided by 5 by minus 4 or minus 5 by 4 the whole raised to 2, 1 the raised to 3x. Now this is 5 by 4, but here it is a minus 5 by 4. See, whether it is positive or negative, with the even power, it will be same, value will be same only. So we can write, since 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 the whole square is also equal to 5 by 4 the whole square, because the power is even. Okay, so that is why it becomes positive only. So you can write 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 to the power 3x. So here the same number, isn't it? 5 by 4, 5 by 4, the power is also same. That means how much it will be? It will be 1. Yes or no? Otherwise 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 3 by x, that is 1 square is equal to 1 3 by x. Okay, 1 square is 1. Is it clear? So 1 square is 1, 1 to the power 3x. So 1 means what? Otherwise you take it directly. Okay, so it is a directly you take 1 is equal to same number, same power. 1 is equal to 1 to the power 3x. So 1 means 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 3x. Now write when bases are same, powers are equal. Okay, these steps you don't write. The same bases, same powers, when you divide it will be 1. 1 means 1 to the power. Here the base is 1, so 1 to the power 1. Okay, now here how much it will be? It is a 3x is equal to, we'll write here 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 3. Answer, x is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum. See here little bit confusion is there. So directly you write the bases and the powers are same. When you divide it should be 1. Okay, now here the powers are same but the bases are different. So what will you do? 9 by 4 into 8 by 9 the whole raised to 3 is equal to 2 to the power 6x. So 9 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So it became 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 6x. This is easy. When bases are same, powers are equal. So 3 is equal to 6x. So x is equal to 3 by 6. That means x is equal to 1s are 2s are 1 by 2. Answer, x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum. Here the powers are same. So 15 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 the whole raised to 3 to the power x. Now division means multiply the reciprocal. Right side will be same. 4 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So it became 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power x. Now bases are same. When the bases are same, powers are equal. 3 is equal to x, x is equal to 3. So answer, x is equal to 3. Is it clear? So we have completed the worksheet 6. Only in a third and the fourth, second, isn't it? Second and the third sums, little bit confusion is there. Otherwise, it's easy. Hope everyone understood the how to find out the value of x. Okay then, bye, thank you, all the best.